Open Grok app. You can see Imagine tab on top right corner. Click on it. You will see list of all predefined and pre-generated high-quality images. You can scroll, it will keep loading the best images. When you like to make a video, click on the image and click Make Video. It will generate a 6 seconds video in few seconds. There are different sound variations for the same video. You can click on 2, 3, 4 to check. You can scroll down for a different variation of the same image. Another sample image to video. You can generate your own image by entering the text prompt. You can customize the video by clicking Redo and select Custom. You can click on Share icon to share the video. You can upload any picture to generate video.